Hey beauties, today we're recreating an iconic look, Türkan Şoray makeup. Key to this look is, of course, those bold, sultry eyes. Let's dive into this classic and timeless look step by step. After all, we can all channel our inner sultan, right? First, let's prep the skin with a primer for a smooth base. Then, apply concealer under the eyes and to any areas that need extra coverage. Now, apply foundation and blend everything out evenly with the concealer. We'll follow with contouring, lightly sculpting the cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Make sure to blend everything together seamlessly for a flawless finish. Next, we're setting everything with a light dusting of powder, focusing on the T-zone and under the eyes to keep everything matte and in place. This step will ensure your makeup lasts all day. Now it's time for the Türkan Şoray signature, bold winged eyeliner. Draw a thick winged line, extending it out to create that dramatic, sultry look. Apply false lashes to the outer corners of the eyes, then add mascara to blend the lashes together. For the lower lash line, smudge some dark eyeshadow to add depth, and finally, apply white eyeliner to the waterline to make the eyes look bigger and brighter. Let's add a pop of color to the cheeks. Apply a soft pink blush to the apples of the cheeks and blend upwards for a fresh, glowing look. Now onto the lips. Line your lips with a brown lip liner to define them, and then fill in with a glossy brown lipstick or gloss for a polished, full look. This is the perfect finishing touch for this classic makeup. And that's it, our Türkan Şoray inspired makeup look is complete. Key to this look is all in the dramatic eyes and soft, defined lips. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.